Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok alternative on your iPhone and Android. So there's multiple applications that are available right now. So this is the list of the applications that are available. So you got Lomotive, Zigagoo. So you got this application, but most popular one is RedNote. RedNote is this one right here. And you can search it from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. So we're gonna break it down in this video, but in the meantime, it says my notifications. TikTok says it is restoring service for 170 million American. Trump providing necessary whatever. Let me click on it and see what it says. TikTok is restoring services. So anyway, we're gonna break it down in this video, so stay tuned.
Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, so there's different applications that you can download to replace WhatsApp. And at first we're gonna check out RedNote, okay? And right now I just got a notification on my phone. It says TikTok appear to be back online after Trump pledge to restore it. So I don't know if it is true, but I'm gonna go to my TikTok and find out to see if it is back online. And as you can see, let me close it. So I'm going to go to my TikTok to see if it is back online. And as you can see, it is not back online. So we're going to start with RedNote. So to do that, we're going to go to the App Store. So this is iPhone, and I'm sure that it is available on Android as well. So I'm going to search for RedNote. RedNote TikTok showed up, and this is the application that you need to download. And after you install it, it can replace TikTok. Apparently right now everybody's downloading this application, so let's go ahead and download it. And then after that, we're going to open it up and then see if it is similar to TikTok. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my TikTok alternative. I downloaded it, and this is called RedNote, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and open the application, and from here I can sign up. So you must agree to the terms and conditions, and then you must allow notification if you want to, but I don't want a notification. And now, as you can see, you can select topics that you are interested in, right? You can select up to 4. Let me click on skip on this, right? I'm going to click on skip, and now I'm going to go ahead and it says allow to track across the company website. If you want them to track you, I don't want that at all. And now you can swipe up to check out the reels. Okay, so you can click on any. So as you can see it here, guys, you can log in to get more experience, but I'm not logging in. I'm just showing you how to download this application, and you can enjoy it as a WhatsApp, like a WhatsApp alternative. So you can click on any of these, but you must sign up. After you sign up, you can log in.
You say, I'm honored.
Check it out.
This is insane.
Check it out, guys. Check it out. This is like WhatsApp alternative. And it is same as the one that's shut down right now. This one is the same. So you can download this application right now, and this is called RedNote. You can get it from either the App Store or Google Play Store for Android. And this is it. And then there are some more applications, like I mentioned. This application right here, you can take a look at them, but the most popular one is the RedNote. This is the one that everybody's downloading right now in order to use it as WhatsApp. All right, my friends, so this is it. Very simple. Go ahead and check it out, RedNote, or download any of these applications. Lomotive, Zigazoo or Red Knot or Lemonade or Clapper. So this is it. So this is my TikTok alternative, guys. I downloaded it and it has tons of contents. And also, guys, remember they have YouTube Short. YouTube Short can help. So you go to your YouTube, you can check out the YouTube Shorts, right? This is YouTube Shorts. This is the YouTube Home and Shorts right here, as you can see. And you can get tons of contents that is similar to TikTok. And I'm sure that everybody gonna turn into this kind of content to YouTube Short or the Red Knot. And also you can get Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. All right, my friends, so this is my TikTok alternative right now. I downloaded it and it is working perfectly. And now you can sign up and log in and select your contents, or you can just simply use it as just like a normal user, not to sign up, but you can still watch some reels like TikTok. And now, guys, I'm gonna go back to the notification that I got that says that it appears that TikTok is back online. I'm gonna click on here to read the news to see what it says. It says TikTok is coming back online. It is coming back, not right now, but it is coming back. So, guys, this is what it says. It says TikTok coming back online after Trump pledged to restore it. So then it is not back yet. So we're gonna wait until Trump takes office and then we see what happens. But anyway, this is it. This is what you need to download, Red Knot, for now as a TikTok alternative, so you can enjoy your reels like before. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.